Okay, we want to graph the function f of x is equal to 1/2 x plus 5. Okay, in general, the best way to be able to graph a function without knowing anything about it is to use the table method, right? To use tables. So I'm going to start off by saying x and y. And I want to make sure that I use for x, since it's multiplied times this fraction here, I want to use multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Okay, so I like to have a couple of negatives that are multiples of 2. Throw in 0. And then some positives. Okay, that's a good representative of what the graph should look like. Okay, and then I'll just plug them in one at a time and get my graph. So let's start off by plugging in -4. I'll start off way up here. So when x is -4, what does the function equal? In other words, what is the y value? Okay, so 1/2 times -4. The easy thing about this is that when I multiply 1/2 times a number, I'm just asking what is half of that number. Okay, that's an easy way to think about it. Kind of takes away the multiplication and division part of it. Okay, so half of -4 is -2. And -2 plus 5 is a positive 3. Okay, I'll plot the points later. Let me go on to the next one. Let me plug in -2. Half of -2 plus 5. Half of -2 is -1. Plus 5. -1 plus 5 is a positive 4. If I plug in 0, half of 0 plus 5. Half of 0 is 0. Plus 5 is 5. I'm picking up on a pattern here. F of 2. Half of 2 plus 5. Half of 2 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. And I bet the last one will be 7. Half of 4 plus 5. Half of 4 is 2. Plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, so these all represent my ordered pairs, so I'm going to plot them. -4, 3. -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that again. About right there. 0, 5. 2, 6. 4, 7. Okay, these all fall along a straight line. Once you use about 5 points, you have a good idea of what it looks like. It's a straight line, so therefore, this would be the graph.